Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really enjoyed that ride to Sidahan, which you've probably seen in my last video, but I was so happy to come back just in time to catch another beautiful sunset in Dipolog. And there's more, so enjoy! All here is about massage, therapeutic massage. Good therapeutic massage, nothing else. And then they go to a restaurant upstairs. I already got some nice steak here. I already try every time I come here, just about. But tonight I'm gonna go for the chicken parmesan. It's one or the other.
No, I don't know if we'll ask them.
We'll ask her.
Chicken parma pasta.
Chicken parmigiani on top of pasta. Peter couldn't wait.
What are you waiting on here? Hey, put the back.
$7.98 for two.
778.
Good morning. This dog is always here. It's not the first time I see him. Yeah, good morning guys. Beautiful morning. Very cloudy. It's been raining all night. But that's Mindanao, most cases. I just came here to relax a bit. Even if things of life is try to stress me, no, it doesn't work. I'm very resilient. Very resilient. So anyway, it's nice to come here and relax at any given time, any given situation. Yeah, just a quick chat. Hopefully the house will be solved. If not, anyway, I have to wait. There could be other ways going about it. You can make some suggestions if you want. I got some ideas already, but I will chat to the real estate agent very shortly. Yeah. Yeah, very relaxing here. I mean, the boulevard is really the gym of Dipolog. sunset, relaxing atmosphere, friendly people. I love it. I love it. Very relaxing. I showed you the port the other day. That's just here. It's not far. I know some of you say, oh, it's getting boring, blah, blah, blah. I'm going through a time where I need to be mindful what I put on my videos. And that's slowing me down. A lot of subject, a lot of things I can't really show or talk about. But if you're patient with me, it will pay off to stick with me. For sure. Okay, just a little warning. Be mindful of people that don't see what you do for them. Even you give them everything you had, but they see what you haven't given to them. And they act on consequences. And that's pretty bad. But there's many people like that, so be careful. We live in a crazy world. I heard of a reset of the world stopped for a few seconds, and I don't know. But I start to believe it because everybody's going banana. You know, banana is Australian term for crazy. And they do funny things, and they don't realize that they act against God's wish. Therefore, the future is not really bright. Something coming up because of the wrong deed. Definitely. Well, anyway, that's what I know with my experience. I was expecting to see more people here in the boulevard, and I haven't seen a foreigner yet. Because that's a trend now. So behave when you're here. Even if you behave, you can go to jail, believe me. Believe me. Even you do the right thing, you can be punished. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. I know it's been raining this morning, but it should be like that. I had the breakfast this morning, but I forgot to film it. I had 3 eggs, fried eggs. Eggs is very important for you. Protein. What else? This Chinese vegetable is very sour. I always forgot the name. Maybe you know which one is that. And I had some fish, fried fish. Yeah. So I enjoy it. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, one foreigner up there. Okay. Just past the tricycle, behind the black. Yeah, it is. I've seen it before. Anyway, you know, Dipolog is a small city. So everybody knows everybody. Everybody knows what everybody does. I know what everybody does. You can hide as much as you want. People know. People like talking. a lot of chismes. My friend Peter just told me, as a lady say you have a baby here, the baby is 1 month old. How can you make a baby, what's it, almost 1,000 kilometers away? That's pretty hard. They're the kind of chismes you can hear. Almost crush. Yeah, that's the kind of gossip that can go on and stupid. You know, there's young girls that really, they know in this world that their mind is somewhere else. They will do anything to get money. Ooh. I haven't seen a wasp for a long time. There's one just here. Is that fisherman coming back from fishing? Interesting. I didn't see them coming in. I'm gonna go have a close look. Yeah, there's people going out there, so I just arrived. See what they've got. And you know, you can buy some fish and stuff straight from the fisherman as well. So if you live in Dipolog, you come here in the morning and wait for the fishermen to arrive and buy straight from them. Fresh. Yeah, let's go have a look. One day I like to organize to go fishing with them. I need to find a jacket. It looks like they have some life jacket up there. Let's have a look closely. Not sure how long I'm gonna stick around. It's getting very cloudy, but I need to go to Plaza. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.